Hi there, are you looking for ways to earn some extra income as an immigrant? Maybe you're saving up for your family, working toward your dreams, or just trying to cover the bills in a new country. Starting fresh in a new place is tough, but side hustles can be a real game changer. Today, I'm going to share 9 side hustles that are perfect for immigrants, even if you're just getting started. We're talking about hustles that are easy to begin, flexible around your schedule, and with some dedication, can earn you over $1,000 a month. Stay with me till the end because I have a bonus tip that could help you earn even more by working smarter, not harder. Alright, let's dive into our first side hustle, freelancing. If you've got skills in writing, graphic design, data entry, or even translation, freelancing platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can be absolute gold mines. I have a friend who started offering Arabic to English translation services on Upwork. Guess how much he's pulling in now, working part-time in the evenings? Over $1,500 a month. The best part is, getting started is super simple. Create a profile, highlight your skills, and set your rates. Think of your profile like your online storefront. You want to make it shine. Tools like Grammarly and Canva can help you polish things up. Remember, you don't need to be an expert to start, just willing to learn and put in the effort. Our next side hustle is perfect if you're fluent in multiple languages or have a knack for subjects like math. Online tutoring. Websites like Preply and Italki connect you with students worldwide who are eager to learn what you know. Imagine teaching English to someone in Japan or helping a student in Spain ace their math exam, all from your home. Depending on your experience and the subject you teach, you can easily make anywhere from $20 to $40 an hour. Just a few hours a week can add up quickly and make a real difference in your monthly income. You get to set your own schedule and work at your own pace. Plus, think of the satisfaction you'll get from helping others achieve their learning goals. This next side hustle is for all you creative souls out there. If you have a knack for creating, whether it's through drawing, crafting, or designing, this is your moment to shine. If you enjoy designing, crafting, or turning ideas into reality, listen up. Your creative skills can be more than just a hobby. They can be a source of income. Platforms like Etsy are your ticket to turning your passion into profit by selling digital products. From digital art to printable planners, the possibilities are endless. Think about it. What skills or talents do you have that people might be willing to pay for? Your unique creations could be exactly what someone is looking for. Maybe you're a pro at creating budget planners, designing printable art, or crafting resume templates. These are just a few examples of what you can offer. I met an amazing woman from Mexico who started selling printable meal planners on Etsy. She took her organizational skills and turned them into a thriving business. She's now making over $500 a month, all from something she created in her spare time. Imagine the potential if you dedicated even more time to it. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can be sold over and over again without any additional effort. This means passive income, allowing you to focus on creating even more amazing products. This next side hustle is perfect for those of you who enjoy being on the road and setting your own hours. If you have a car, a valid driver's license, and a smartphone, apps like Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash are your new best friends. You get to be your own boss, choose when and where you want to work, and earn money by driving people or delivering food. Depending on your city, the time of day you drive, and any surge pricing, you can realistically make anywhere from $15 to $25 an hour. I've even heard stories of drivers making over $1,500 a month just working evenings and weekends. This next side hustle is perfect for those of you who are handy around the house or enjoy bringing order to chaos. If you're good at fixing things, cleaning, or just generally being helpful, platforms like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack are about to become your new go-tos. There are tons of people out there who need help with everyday tasks like assembling furniture, mounting TVs, or fixing leaky faucets. You post your skills, set your rates, and boom, you're in business. People are willing to pay a premium for quality help. Depending on the task, you can easily make anywhere from $20 to $50 an hour. Calling all food lovers. This next side hustle is perfect for those of you who have a passion for cooking and sharing your cultural culinary delights with the world. If you're known for your amazing recipes or always get compliments on your cooking, why not turn it into a side hustle? People are always on the lookout for delicious home-cooked meals. I know a family from Peru who started selling homemade empanadas at local events and farmers markets. Their empanadas were a hit. They were selling out every weekend and making over $2,000 a month just from their side hustle. You can start small by advertising on social media, Facebook Marketplace, or even putting up flyers in your neighborhood. This next side hustle is for all you natural storytellers and social butterflies out there. If you have a flair for sharing your life, your thoughts, or your unique experiences, this could be the perfect opportunity for you. If you love sharing your experiences, knowledge, or just have a knack for creating engaging content, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram can become income streams. These platforms offer a variety of ways to monetize your content, from ad revenue to sponsorships and even direct fan support. Think about it, what are you passionate about? What topics can you talk about for hours without getting bored? Your passion can be the foundation of your content. What unique perspectives can you share as an immigrant? Your journey, challenges, and triumphs can resonate with many people who are in similar situations or are simply curious about your experiences. Maybe you have inspiring stories to tell, or helpful tips for navigating a new country. Sharing these can not only help others but also establish you as a trusted voice in your niche. There's a YouTuber I follow who shares incredible stories about immigrant success and has built a loyal following of over 100,000 subscribers. His content is not only informative but also deeply inspiring. He now earns over $500 a month just from ad revenue on his videos. And that's not even counting other income streams like sponsorships and merchandise. It does take time and effort to build a following, and you'll need to be patient and persistent. Creating high-quality content consistently is key. But if you're consistent, create valuable content, and engage with your audience, you'll start to see growth. Responding to comments and building a community around your content can make a huge difference. You can turn your passion for sharing into a profitable side hustle. So, grab your camera, start sharing your story, and watch your audience and your income grow. This next side hustle is perfect if you're already active on social media and love trying out new products or services. It's called affiliate marketing, and it's a fantastic way to earn passive income by recommending things you already use and love. Here's how it works. You sign up for an affiliate program with a company like Amazon, Target, or even your favorite online stores. Then, you get a unique affiliate link for specific products. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The key to success with affiliate marketing is to be authentic and only recommend products you genuinely believe in. Your followers can spot a phony a mile away, so be real, be yourself, and focus on providing value. This last side hustle is for all my bargain hunters and treasure seekers out there. If you love the thrill of the hunt and the satisfaction of a great find, this one's for you. It's called flipping, and it's all about finding hidden gems at bargain prices and reselling them for a profit. Imagine turning a $5 find into a $50 sale. Think thrift stores, garage sales, flea markets, even online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist. These places are treasure troves waiting to be explored. I know someone who's built a successful side hustle flipping vintage furniture. He's turned his passion for antiques into a profitable venture. He finds amazing pieces at thrift stores and estate sales, gives them a little TLC, and then resells them for a profit. It's a creative and rewarding process. He's making an extra $300 to $500 a month on top of his full-time job, all by finding hidden treasures. It's a great way to supplement your income. The key to successful flipping is to have an eye for value and to know what's in demand. Spotting a diamond in the rough can be incredibly satisfying. Do your research, check out trending items online, and don't be afraid to negotiate prices. Knowledge is power, and it can turn your side hustle into a thriving business. And there you have it, 9 amazing side hustles that immigrants like you can start today. Whether you want to freelance online, drive for a delivery service, or share your talents on social media, there's something here for everyone. Remember, starting a side hustle is all about taking that first step, even if it's a small one. Let me know in the comments. Which side hustle are you excited to try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips like this, and share it with someone who's also looking to boost their income. Together we can create opportunities and thrive in any country.